Let's go, guys. Guys, now I think there is more than 46 kilometers to reach Vazhvanthol WaterFalls from Trivandrum. Guys, finally we reached our destination, Vazhvanthol Waterfall. Guys, this is our guide Mallan Kani, the guide. Guys, we are going to the waterfall area. It is very adventurous. Stay tuned this video. Some off-roadings are there. Let's go. The sticks you are seeing, the guy told us to take the sticks so that we can control our themselves. See the area, guys, very beautiful. The water, guys, you can see the beautiful area. Guys, you can see the beautiful. Guys, it is very beautiful. Guys, you can see the beautiful. Guys, you can see the. It is very deep. Very, very beautiful. Destination. It is in my front. I will show you guys. Guys, you can see that. It's very beautiful, guys. You can see how beautiful it is. Very, very beautiful, guys. Guys, we take to reach this destination for 1.5 hours. You should come to this place. It is very, very beautiful. You will get worth in this place. Guys, if you really need a break from the city life, you should surely visit this place. It is very beautiful place. So, bye guys.